everyone, my name is Shreya and I just completed telepathic communication level 1 from Jalaspina. I really want to thank Barsha. She's an amazing teacher, a spectacular mentor. She handheld me, she gave me the right techniques, she guided me through the meditations. She gave me lots of opportunities to practice because courses like this or any such practices need you to be a master at it, and to be a master at it you really need to practice a lot, and Barsha helped me every way. She still helps me with those practices. I cannot thank enough. I am really grateful that God sent Barsha to me because I get to learn so much. It's just not about telepathic communication, it's about spiritualism as a whole. You really need to try this out if you are interested in telepathic communication and learning about telepathic communication. Barsha is definitely the right person. Highly recommended. Thank you so much for watching, and Barsha, I love you.